guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I greatly appreciate you being here. I haven't done any kind of monochromatic look here on my channel yet, so I was kind of feeling inspired to do that. So I was thinking to myself, you know what? I have brown eyes. I have this gorgeous brown lipstick that I haven't used in a while, so you know what? Let's just go with brown. And this is what we got. So if you want to see how I got this look here, then keep on watching. Alright, so I already have my eyebrows on, so I'm just going to go ahead and jump right on into foundation. Today I'm going to be using my Kat Von D Lock It foundation. I am in the shade 62 Medium Warm. I actually really used to love this foundation. I mean, I still do. I just haven't used it in a while. Don't even know why, honestly. I love the consistency. I love the way it covers. It's very long wearing. The only thing is she's a little thick, okay? This foundation is a little bit on the thicker side. That doesn't necessarily bother me, but I know some people have a preference and they don't really like thicker foundations, so there's that. Alright, and then for concealer, I'm going to be going in with Tarte Shape Tape, and this is in the shade Tan Sand. I'm going to add just a little bit on my forehead, just to help brighten my under eyes a little bit more. I'm gonna go in with this NYX Got You Covered concealer, and this one is in the shade Medium Olive. Just a little bit lighter than my Shape Tape. Mix a little bit of that into that way when I blend it out, it will be a little bit lighter and help brighten everything up. Not too much brighter, just a little bit. And taking my beauty sponge, I'm just gonna blend everything in. And then really quick before that starts to crease, I'm going to go ahead and set that with my Makeup Revolution banana powder. I'm actually not going to bake today, you know, and let it sit on my face. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit on the back of my beauty blender and just dab it on and let it melt into the skin. Alright, so now that my concealer is all set in place, I'm going to go ahead and move around to the eyes. And for eyeshadow today, I'm going to be taking my Pixi X itsjudytime palette. I think I have used this maybe once on my channel before. This is the palette that Judy created with Pixi. If you don't know who Judy is, she is a long-time YouTuber slash beauty guru. This palette isn't new by any means, but it's been a while since I've used it, so I figured why not use it today for this monochromatic look, because as you can tell, it has a bunch of browns and neutrals in this palette, so it was perfect. Alright, so starting out for my transition shade, I'm gonna be grabbing this color right here. For the eyes today, we are doing a very brown monochromatic look, so it's going to be very, very, very simple, but at the same time, it is still going to be very glam and gorgeous. Alright, so moving right along, I'm going to be grabbing this dark brown shade right here. I'm just going to put that all the way across my lid and just start smoking it out. And also working it up into that transition shade that we laid down. Alright, and that's we're going right back in with that same color I used for my transition shade. I'm just going to be going over that one more time because we did lose it a little bit when we went in with the dark brown and started smoking everything out, but that's okay. Alright, now I'm just going to grab this coppery brown shade right here. This is what it looks like. I'm just going to pop that right in the center of my lid. I'm just going to put it on using my finger. Just going to dab it on right in the center. And this is just going to add a little something extra to the eye look while still maintaining the brown in this monochromatic look. Alright, I went ahead and added a little bit of black eyeliner to my waterline. So now I'm just going to go ahead and take some black liquid liner and wing it out. Alright, for my lower lash line, I'm just going to grab this same dark brown color and work that all the way across. I forgot to tell y'all, I actually feel like I have my life somewhat together today because all my makeup brushes are clean. Well, obviously not now that I'm using them, but when I came to film the video, like they were all clean. And that right there, y'all, that right there is just a personal accomplishment, okay? And if you're a makeup lover, then you already know how much of an accomplishment it is that all your makeup brushes is clean. All of them. Not just the ones you use every day, but like all of them. Doing something today, y'all. So like I said, I'm just running this all the way across, and I'm also kind of just bringing it out to the side as well to go in the same direction as my wing, and just connecting everything so it kind of flows together, and it also just adds to the cat effect of my eyes. All right, and really quick, I'm just gonna pop on some mascara and lashes. Y'all know I don't really ever do this on camera because it's too difficult, so BRB. Alright, so moving around into the rest of the face, I'm gonna be grabbing my itsmyrayeraye palette. I'm gonna be contouring my face with this middle shade right here called Mocha. Cannot forget about that big old forehead, girl, because we like to make her look a little bit smaller than what she is, if that's even possible. Of course, we got to snatch that nose, honey, because it's a little big too. The only thing I'm doing now is taking this big brush here, and I'm just kind of going over that nose contour just to diffuse it a little bit so it's not so harsh. Right now for blush, y'all already know it's nothing new here. This is my Makeup Revolution Sugar and Spice palette. I'm just grabbing this kind of pinky peachish shade right here. Y'all, my next goal is to get some more blush, like some different brands, different type, different color, all of that jazz. It's just palette is so affordable. It has multiple blush shades here, and so I just kind of just always reach for it, you know. But, you know, I think it's time that I venture out just a little bit. There are other great affordable blushes and blush palettes out there. It's just I'm such a creature of habit. Like, I just always tend to grab the same things. There we go. Nothing too dramatic. Just a little something to add a flush of color to the cheeks. So now for my favorite part, highlight. Again, gonna be tapping into my itsmyrayeraye palette, and I'm going to be taking this highlight shade right here called French Toast. I mean, how perfect is this highlight for this look? I don't know why, but I always get so excited and giddy when it comes time to highlight. Like, it's just the best part. Whoa! Yes, God. Gonna add a little bit more because why not? Oh God, I just want to bathe in it. A little bit on the Cupid's bow, also some down the bridge of my nose. And then just because I like my nose highlight to be a little bit more blinding than that, I'm actually going to dip into the shade Radiant right here, right beside it, and just layer that right on top. Yes, queen. Also, just going to take a little bit of French Toast and just pop that into my inner corners. Alright, and lastly, we have the lips. I'm using this brown shade right here. This is from Colourpop. This is one of their matte lipsticks, and this in the shade Limbo. And for some reason, I forgot to grab my brown lip liner, so I'm just going to go right on in with this. And y'all know we cannot forget that setting spray, girl. So I'm just going to go in with my one from Morphe. Woo! Just going to dabble that into the skin. And voila! Guys, that is it. I really hope you enjoyed this look as much as I did. Please go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Also, don't forget you can follow me right here on my Instagram. And yeah, I have a few errands to run, so I'm gonna go do that now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day or night wherever you are. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.